Welcome to the top best. The best E6000 adhesive is probably one of the most versatile and powerful glues on the market, capable of bonding a vast array of materials from fabric and leather to metal, glass, and ceramics, making it an indispensable tool for crafters, DIY enthusiasts, and repair professionals alike who demand a strong, flexible, and waterproof bond that stands the test of time and use. Number 5. E6000 Adhesive Rhinestones Glue Kit. Discover the upgraded E6000 Glue Kit, your all-in-one solution for all your crafting needs. This comprehensive set includes everything you need to bring your creative visions to life. Experience unparalleled precision with its anti-clogging cap and ultrafine tip. Apply glue with perfect control, ideal for intricate details and delicate work. Achieve professional quality results with its high-strength viscosity. This transparent adhesive dries clear, remains strong, and is waterproof, ensuring your creations stand the test of time. From cell phones and jewelry to nail art and fabric, this multipurpose adhesive works on a wide array of surfaces. It's perfect for DIY projects, repairs, and adding sparkle to any item. This kit comes complete with precision tools, including a wax pencil and tweezers, to help you easily pick up and place small embellishments. The dotting pens are perfect for precise glue application and nail art designs. Get your projects done quickly with its fast-drying formula, ready for handling in just 3 minutes. Achieve full curing within 24 to 48 hours for a bond that lasts. What we like. This option comes with a comprehensive kit, including multiple tools for precise application and handling of small items. If you are looking for an all-in-one solution for detailed craft projects like jewelry making or nail art, this is a great choice. What people say. This is a strong adhesive that works on a variety of materials, including fabric, leather, and wood. It dries clear and is waterproof, making it ideal for outdoor projects. The adhesive is flexible and does not become brittle over time, which is great for items that are handled frequently. Number 4. E6000 Craft Adhesive Glue Kit. Discover the new and improved E6000 Glue Kit, your all-in-one solution for a variety of crafting needs. This kit includes everything you need to get started on your next project. This clear adhesive is perfect for attaching rhinestones, fabric, shoes, jewelry, and so much more. Its flexibility makes it ideal for a wide range of materials and projects. Our kit comes with helpful tools like glue spreaders for even application and dotting pens for precise placement. Say goodbye to messy hands and hello to professional results. The anti-clogging cap and ultrafine tip ensure controlled application, allowing for small, precise glue drops. It's designed for intricate work and long-lasting adhesion. Experience high-strength viscosity with this professional-grade jewelry glue. It's transparent, won't yellow over time, and offers strong, waterproof bonding that lasts. Get your projects done faster with a glue that dries in just 3 minutes at room temperature. A full cure is achieved within 24 to 48 hours, providing a permanent and reliable bond. This multipurpose adhesive works on virtually any surface, from cell phones and electronics to textiles and leather. It's the perfect choice for all your DIY, crafting, and repair needs. What we like. This product offers helpful gluing tools for an even and mess-free application, including spreaders for broad coverage and dotting tools for precision. If you are someone who values a clean workspace and wants to ensure a smooth, consistent adhesive layer, especially for crafts or nail art, this is the one for you. What people say. This glue is incredibly strong and durable, holding my projects together for years without any issues. It dries clear and creates a flexible bond, making it perfect for crafts and repairs where a rigid adhesive wouldn't work. The precision applicator tip allows for detailed work, ensuring you use just the right amount of glue exactly where you need it. Number 3. E6000 Adhesive with Precision Tips. Introducing the E6000 Adhesive, designed for precision application. It comes with 3 specialized tips and a protective cap for accuracy. This adhesive offers incredible versatility, bonding to a wide range of materials. From glass and wood to metal and fabric, it handles it all. Achieve a seamless look with its clear drying finish. Once dry, it's also paintable, allowing for further customization of your projects. Rest assured, this adhesive is photo-safe and resistant to extreme temperatures. It's built to withstand the test of time and conditions. Need a reliable bond for fabrics? It's washer and dryer safe, ensuring your creations stay intact through laundry cycles. What we like. This adhesive dries clear and is paintable, offering a seamless finish for your projects. If you need an adhesive that blends in perfectly with your materials, can be painted over for customization, and works on a wide variety of surfaces, this is an excellent option for you. What people say. This is a strong adhesive that works on a variety of materials. It dries clear and is waterproof, making it ideal for many projects. The E6000 adhesive is flexible and durable, ensuring a long-lasting bond. Number 2. E6000 Craft Adhesive Mini, 4-pack. Introducing the E6000 Craft Adhesive Mini, your go-to solution for all your crafting needs. This pack comes with 4 convenient small tubes, perfect for detailed work. Don't rush your projects. It gives you at least 5 minutes to make adjustments before it begins to set, ensuring perfect placement every time. For a bond that lasts, allow 24 to 72 hours for complete curing. This ensures maximum strength and durability for your creations. Worried about messes? Any excess can be easily cleaned or removed from your work surfaces, making your crafting experience hassle-free. Always use adhesives responsibly. Ensure you're in a well-ventilated area, promptly remove any from your skin, and avoid contact with your eyes. These mini tubes are designed for precision and ease of use. Their compact size makes them a great addition to any craft kit. What we like. This pack provides multiple small tubes, giving you flexibility for various projects and ensuring you always have a fresh application. If you are a crafter who appreciates having ample time to adjust placements before the glue sets, and you like the convenience of easily cleaning up any excess, this multi-pack is ideal. What people say. This is a great glue for crafts. It is very strong and durable. I used this glue to repair a broken ceramic vase, and it worked perfectly. The bond is very strong, and you can't even see where the vase was broken. This glue is also great for attaching rhinestones and other embellishments to fabric. It holds them in place very well, and they don't fall off. Number 1. E6000 3.7-ounce Industrial Strength Adhesive Kit. Experience professional-grade bonding power with this industrial strength adhesive. It's perfect for all your crafting, DIY projects, jewelry making, and repair needs. This versatile adhesive bonds strongly to wood, glass, fabric, ceramic, metal, leather, plastic, and more. Enjoy long-lasting durability on a wide range of materials. Achieve controlled and mess-free glue application with the included 10 snip tip applicators. They are ideal for both fine details and covering larger surfaces accurately. Unleash your creativity with the bonus set of 5 art dotting stylus pens. They are perfect for creating intricate patterns, adding fine details, and various other craft uses. This complete adhesive bundle provides everything you need for accurate application, clean finishes, and enhanced creative possibilities. Get ready to bring your crafting ideas to life. What we like. This option boasts industrial strength and comes in a larger tube, perfect for bigger projects or frequent use. If you are tackling demanding DIY projects, need a reliable bond for repairs, or simply want a generous amount of high-strength adhesive with added creative tools, this is the ultimate crafting bundle. What people say. It is a strong adhesive that bonds well to various materials. The adhesive dries clear, making it suitable for projects where aesthetics are important. It remains flexible after curing, which is beneficial for applications where movement or vibration is expected. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.